everyone and welcome. I'm Christina. Today we're sitting down with a team from Tar Heel Basement Systems to talk about some common DIY home repair mistakes and why it's best to call in the professionals, especially when it comes to your foundation. Victor, welcome to the show.
Hi, thank you. Thank you for having us.
So about half of the people that attempted DIY home repair projects absolutely butchered it. What are some types of home repair projects that should be left to the professionals? So
really anything that is going to involve heavy machinery, safety, and dealing with building code. So things of that matter. A big part of that being your structure of your home and your foundation.
Well, what kind of DIY home foundation projects have you seen done in your experience?
It's a multitude of things. Something simple from caulking or sealing a wall, trying to fix a foundation issue, or things that get a little bit more intricate and customers spend a little bit more money on, trying to level their own floors or putting haphazard supports underneath their home.
Well, I can imagine a lot of people don't want to crawl into their basement or under their house to fix things. What does the process look like using Tar Heel Basement Systems?
So our process is we're going to send out a qualified inspector to come out and take a look at the crawl space. They'll meet with the homeowner, do an interview with them to see what their problems are, what their situation is, and then they're going to crawl in that crawl space that they don't really necessarily want to go into and see what's outside of the murkiness, what's going on, how's the health of the home, and then give a detailed drawing for them and a detailed plan. Okay, so say someone does have a foundation issue and you come out. We've talked about the process. Is this something that can be done in a couple days, or is this something that takes weeks, months? So for the most part, most foundation fixes are going to take 2 to 3 days, but we do have problems that can take weeks. Great, thanks so much. Yes, ma'am. Let's check in with Matt, I think another member from your team, and see what he has to say. I'm here with Matt. He's the sales manager for Tar Heel Basement Systems. Matt, I'm curious, why should homeowners leave the structural repairs to the hands of the professionals?
As Victor mentioned earlier, a lot of the foundation repairs that we're doing are pretty complex, and there is some level of danger to it. So we want to make sure we have the right safety equipment, and most homeowners are not going to have that. So we have the right equipment, heavy machinery to do this type of work when we're fixing somebody's foundation. And then also we're warrantying the work that we do. We've been in the market for quite some time, so we know the soils that are here, and we're going to do the work that's matching the environment to the home so that we're stabilizing it for the long term.
Yeah, I think warranty is a big one, right? And then also, you guys know the building codes and the complex things like that.
Yes, warranty is a big deal. Our warranty for foundation piers is lifetime of the structure, so once it's done, it's warranted. We're permitting everything we do. We have engineers involved with anything structural. And of course, we're meeting building code with the work that we're doing for every home.
And then let's talk solutions. What kind of solutions are available for repair?
So for a foundation issue, a helical pier or a push pier, which is a rod that's going down to load-bearing soil, is the main repair. For a slab home, we can do a foam injection underneath there. So those are the things that we're using to fix the foundation specifically.
And then why should people choose Tar Heel Basement Systems as the best option for fixing their foundation?
So Tar Heel Basement Systems has been in business for over 23 years. So we know the soils, right? That's the biggest issue for foundations. So we have the right equipment to do the work the right way. With the sandy soils at the coast, we know we're going to have to go deeper than in the mountains. And we're not going to do anything differently if we have to go twice as far as we think we do to get to the load-bearing soil, there's no additional charge. And then we warranty everything we do for the homeowner, using permitting, meeting code, using engineers as well, so the customer has the peace of mind that their home's been fixed correctly.
It sounds like not only a great place to work, but a great place that takes care of their customers. So if you're facing foundation or structural issues of your own, don't do it alone. Call our friends at Tar Heel Basement Systems today. Thanks so much for joining us, and we'll see you next time.